In this video, we're going to learn how lists are data structures. So this term data structures is generic to computer science. It can apply to any programming language and is an important one that you'll see often. So it's good to know what its definition is. So simply put, a data structure is a collection of data. There are many different kinds of data structures. Lists are just one of them. So you'll see how data is organized with different types like sets or dictionaries or tuples that are coming up. Lists are just one data structure in Python, and they're probably one of the most popular ones and most versatile. So that's why they are brought up first. So lists can contain heterogeneous data. So just some more terminology over here. Hetero just means different, so just different types of data. So I can create a list over here with different types, so like we did before with our original list. 1, 4.5, 8, true. You can have a string here. You can have a none over here. So heterogeneous means all of these pieces, all of the items in the list can be of a different type. Hetero, that's what is heterogeneous data. Some data types some data structures, I should say, some data structures require homogeneous data. That means all data is the same type. So for instance, I can create a list that has homogeneous data. In this list, they're all integers. Now, lists just don't require homogeneous data. They don't require heterogeneous data either. They just simply can take on any types of data, and it's up to you what you put in those lists. So just a few definitions there. Data structures are just collections of data. Heterogeneous data is data that is different. Homogeneous data is where all the items are the same. So homo means just the same. All right, so that's it for this little section on lists as data structures.